Yeah, hi, Matt. Look, it's just another, fork in the road. Pardon the pun. The exposure, as far as Asia ex-Japan is concerned, is most related to autos, and you've seen in the fall this morning in the Hyundai Group names where they have some capacity in Mexico, but it's pretty small in their overall production, and shipments to the US from that plant are again relatively modest. So I don't think that's a big deal from the overall perspective.
When it comes to the ongoing trade war with China, though, how are you positioning? Because we were hopeful that there could be some resolution at the G20 coming up now in just a couple of weeks in Japan. That's looking ever increasingly unlikely. So what are you doing in the markets with all of this in mind?
Yeah, look, it's not an environment where I think you want to second guess or preempt what might happen. We literally are living sort of tweet to tweet. We're taking a long-term view based on fundamental research. Probably reinforces to us why you wouldn't want to just buy the index, because you're exposed to everything, including all the stuff that is most vulnerable to the trade war. And of course, you're buying more of the large cap, potentially very expensive names that could come under pressure if you see big redemptions or foreign fund selling, which would weigh down heavily on some of those large index ETFs. In terms of the developments to date, I mean, the big issue obviously is where we go with Huawei. We'll have to see what the outcome post the 90-day extension is with respect to sort of placing them permanently on the export blacklist. I mean, that's a very big deal. As my colleague was explaining this morning, I mean, they supply 26% of the global telecommunications component supply chain. It's be like trying to take the egg out of an omelette to sort of retract back from that, given how prevalent their share is. So we'll have to wait and see, but it's certainly an escalation from where we were last time we spoke.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.